Hello my fellow crafters, welcome back to my channel. My name is David and today I'm going to be making a card. And I'm going to use one of my stencils that I introduced with the December to Remember collection that came out in July, Christmas in July. But I'm going to use it today to make a card. So let's switch the cameras around, shall we? And then I will show you what I've got in mind. Now I'm going to ramble on a bit because normally I have a live at Thursday, but with all the retreats going on and traveling and everything, that's not going to happen. So I'm not live, I've got a video for you because I also have to work sometimes, which is annoying. Work gets in the way, but hey, it is what it is, right? And I like my job, so don't get me wrong. So what I've got here is this beautiful stencil, which is a layering stencil, and I'm going to position that on here. So now I've got a new goodie, so let's see if that's going to work. This is the waffle flower grip mat, and that should grip onto my paper and to my stencil at the same time. So let's see if that's going to work. Fairly, this looks to me like sort of a jelly plate thing. What I'm going to do, I'm going to place that on my desk, place my card on there, and this grips onto that card, which is, that's nice. I think this is sort of the same material that stamps are made of, the polymer stamps. And I'm going to place my stencil right over that, press that down like so. So I think now this should be gripped on there pretty tight, but I'm still gonna use a bit of tape at the bottom to make sure it's not going anywhere. Like so. I think now this is pretty secure. Now what I've got here is the Luna paste from Simon Hurley. This is fake plant, nice bright green, and I'm going to use that to spread that over my stencil. So I'm just going to use a spatula for that and press that stencil down and spread that out over my stencil. So this is going to be quite a quick and easy card. Sometimes that's nice, right? We don't always have time to make long projects. There we go, that's all covered. So now I'm going to take, this is from Simon, I'm going to take that spatula. I'm just going to go over that so that it's not too thick and any excess can go back into the jar. Next I'm going to peel off my little piece of tape. And I can spot a tiny bit I've missed here at the bottom. So I'm going to scrape this off. Just put that there. There we go. Done, fixed. Now, peel off my stencil. And here is my lovely, lovely holly done. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this dry, and I'm going to clean this stencil off in the meantime, clean my tools, and then we'll be back for the second step. Okay, this is now nice and dry. So, this is, by the way, I forgot to tell that. This is a piece of paper out of my Rustic Winter set. Lovely paper for your Christmas cards, but for your art journaling in the winter, for December day by day, but yeah, fairly any wintry card or journal it's perfect for. So next I'm coming in with this, the top bit, and I'm gonna see how I'm gonna position that. And so I'm just going to hover over that until I don't see green fairly. That's what it is. So that is now in position. So with this beautiful reddish color, I'm carefully, because there is dimension on there, going to put some through the holes so to create the red berries on my wreath. like so. Just gonna scrape off what's not needed and peel off my stencil again. And there we have the berries onto that wreath. Put this in water. And then I'm just going to see, I've got a tiny bit of leakage here. See if I can get that off. Not necessarily, but that doesn't mind that much. It doesn't bother me that much because the berries are different sizes from the look of that. But look at that shine. Love that. So while that is drying, I'm going to stamp out a sentiment and put that on my block. Now this stamp is not sticky anymore. So what I'll do, I'll just spritz that back with water. Take my lint-free cloth. I'm just gonna clean the back of that. And that will make it sticky again. See, there we go. So if your stamps are not sticky anymore, just clean them and they'll be fine. So I will stamp my sentiment in black on the soft finish cardstock. And then I will cut that out. Just like that. Beautiful. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I will put some clear heat embossing on that just to give it some shine. Like that, and I will cut that out. Simple as that. So there's no rocket science behind this. It's just a quick and easy way to make a fun little sentiment. Cut like that. And that's going to be here at the bottom, but I wanted to give that a bit of color. Now, Simon Hurley's lunar pastes are called the same colors as his ink. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to search for fake plant. Here it is. Take a brush, get that fake plant on my brush and just lightly come in and give that a hint of that green. Like so. You see? And that matches the paste. Beautiful! So I've got my big roll of tape, so I will use that to give this some dimension. I'm just going to hover over this a bit to see if it's in the middle. Look at that shine. And then I've got my card base here. So I will just use my Nuvo ink, not ink, glue, to glue this on the back. Line it up. And here we have a very quick, simple, but beautiful Christmas card. So yes, we can make very elaborate cards, and I could take this 10 steps further. I could grunge up the edges, make that shiny with embossing powder, etc. But no, I think sometimes this paper is so beautiful it speaks for itself, and the shine on here as well. So I think this is my finished project for today. Simple, clean, using the Luna paste on my rusted winter paper, and I think this is just stunning. So if you like this, give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so yet, please consider to subscribe to my channel for more fun videos like this. Thank you for joining me today, and I'd love to see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.